Now, first shot.
Another one. Mainit na start, no?
3 out of 4.
The money ball.
5 points on the first half for Tengo Rospe. Second shot is good.
Boston taking his time.
Ano, bahagyan lumamig, no? The second rack. Money ball also on goal.
For the last rack. Here we go.
A lot of time left. Tengo Rospe now.
2 balls left. And he gets it. Last ball. Money ball.
So,
9 points. 9 points si Tengo
9 points at the
9
end.
points.
Tengo Rospe waxing hot right away.
Next up will be
Representative from Boss Doggy.
Boss Doggy. Team Doggy.
Green Hill.
Pangalan mo?
Green Hill.
And representative for Boss Dogs will be Trinil. And Trinil, are you ready? Here we go! Oh, he gets the money ball. Second rack. First one in. The money ball, and he gets it.
6 points so far for Trinil. Third ball, no.
He can still tie it. Oh, and for the money ball. Oh, tie for
Trinil by the score, same with Tengo Rospe.
9-10, it's tied. And now, for our next participants, we have here, Utol. Pinulat daw na. Bakit mo lang kasi pinulat? Keeper Bros! Are you ready? Are you ready? Keeper Bros! Oh, where's the buzzer? Where's the buzzer? Pasuyo lang po. We should have a buzzer so we can know when to start. When I say, let's get motivated, you sound the buzzer. Ready tayo? Okay. Keeper, are you ready? And now, let's get motivated!
Ito, condition din to eh.
Oh, he gets one.
Third ball goes in. Ito for the money ball.
And too short.
Off to the left.
Sige, keeper, kaya na yan. Take your time, take your time.
Alam mo, parang
Oh!
masyado matahawakan pa kay keeper, no?
Money ball! And a bit short. We go for the last rack.
Again, ito guys, 1 minute more than enough for you to complete the rack. So you don't need to rush things.
Last two. And he gets it. And for the money ball. Okay. Congratulations on Kiefer. And Kiefer has
3 points for
points.
keeper.
And now let us go on Jomar Lopera. Okay.
So Jumena with this. Ito tao
Check
lang,
it up, check
Patrick.
it up. Utol Jomar. Ano tol?
Box po ako eh.
Brox, kaya mo yan.
Partida na, partida.
May partida ba? So Utol Jomar, are you ready?
Tama!
Let's get motivated!
And what goes in?
Ay, medyo pinakapos ha.
Second round. Sige, Utol Jomar.
1 point on the first rack.
Take your time, Utol.
Ito, tignan natin kung makakahabol, no? Again, 1 minute, napakahabang oras yan for 3 racks.
Uy, baka wala.
Yung sinusunod, sinusunod.
Fourth ball, no. Here's the money ball.
Wala talaga. Daan-daan na boss. Kaya mo yan.
15 more seconds.
Wala.
Ayan yung utol. Partida na naka-crooks.
Kailangan niya kang halikan. Oh!
Kailangan yung nahalikan.
5 seconds to go.
2 balls left.
Wala pa rin.
And for the money ball.
Wala naman.
Hey!
Hit the buster.
Nice try, Utol. Nice try.
Number 1 ka na boss. Number 1 ka. Sa
And
dulo
now,
ka lang, sa kabila.
for the next
Joe
participant.
Magilubena with 2. Reaper will be our next shooter.
Reaper. Kinakabahan na si Reaper. Sabi ni Reaper, ako naman next.
Heady yan lagi si Reaper.
Hey,
Let's
Reaper.
go, Reaper.
Oh, okay ka na ba?
Good job na exhibition lang to eh.
Once again, Reaper, are you ready?
Ready.
And now, let's get motivated!
Here we go, Reaper. Whoa.
First one goes in right away. Second.
Wow. Good. Oh. Another one. Whoa.
For the perfect. Reaper. But that's a good one already. 4 points on the first half.
Second round.
There we go. One more. Nice work.
Mainit.
Last 2 balls. And for the money ball.
Short again. Wala pa
Ooh,
siya
6 points already.
Wala pa money ball to.
Reaper, no.
There you go.
Ooh. Wala, no time left.
2 balls left.
Oh, bigay.
Ito, for the tie.
Siguraduhin mo na yan. Siguraduhin mo.
Ball!
Ano ba?
Sabi ni Reaper, pasalamat kayo, mataas yung rock.
Zero on the money ball. Ayan,
Partida.
brother.
Alam mo,
Serpent lang.
Short! Short yung tira.
ang ganda ng simula ni Reaper, no?
Oo. Sunod-sunod.
Kinapos.
And
And right now, for
struggle siya on the second and third rack.
Kinapos.
And Reaper has how many points?
7 points for Reaper.
7. Eto na si Master TV.
And ladies and gentlemen, our MVP for season 1, we have Master TV!
Pinipressure mo yata eh. Pressure ito.
Sabi ni Utol, wala na, na-pressure na ako. Ay, Utol, isigaw mo! Utol, Master TV, are you ready? And now, let's get motivated!
Let's go! Good line. Okay, medyo malakas lang. Hinaan mo lang ng konti. There you go.
Oh,
Medyo malakas ulit.
for the money ball, take your time.
There
And he
you go.
gets it.
Nice
3
work.
points on the first rack.
3 points.
Good line. So from
Okay.
Ako Aquino, ito yung
Relax. Sige na malalim. Okay, in and out.
Last 2 balls.
Ako, medyo malayo yun ah.
Money ball, take your time.
for the volleyball.
And
Oh!
he gets it.
5 points so far. He
Okay.
gets that volleyball.
Okay.
Ito, hindi nararamdaman niya na.
Yan na.
7 points so far.
And the money ball will have to hit
For the tie! Ilinis lang!
Sayang. So, our highest score
It's
is
in and it's out.
9 lang yung highest natin, di ba? 9 pa lang. Tama ba?
Yes, 9 to get Tingo Rospe and Try Neil. Our first 2 shooters actually.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, for our next player, ang pinakamalapit sa Taguig, Simon Jensen!
Let's go.
And Utol, isigaw mo. Gusto ko isigaw mo, Totol, ha? Utol, are you ready? Woo! And now, let's get motivated!
Malayo yan, malayo. Malayo. Oh! There you
Oh!
go.
1 point,
Switching one. Another
2
one.
points.
2 straight
Money ball.
pointers. Hitting 3 points to end that first half.
Oy!
Overshoot.
Ito naman. Medyo Malayo, malayo.
Take your time, Udol.
Malayo. Malayo ah.
2 balls left.
Relax. Money.
Money ball.
4 points so
Last
far.
lap, Udol. Take your time.
Wala na siya sa kita.
Too short.
Yun.
Nice. 5 points. Last 2 balls. And the money ball. Oh, and 5 points to Udol Simon Tenden.
So still leading pa rin natin. Bingo, Rospe, and Trinil.
Nag-settle standard yung 9 points.
And our next player, our Taguig representative, Rapido.
Ito, hometown niya to ha.
Hometown.
Hometown.
Cavite! Hometown
And
ba?
the representative
Quadruple time yan.
of Cavite or Etivac, Udol Rapido.
Alakpakan nyo naman, taga-Cavite to eh.
Sample daw. Sample.
Sample, sample, sample.
Motivated freestyle naman dyan, Udol. Bigyan mo naman
Oh,
kami.
let's go, let's go, go!
Beat.
May gusto
Beat.
talaga.
Shit.
Joe! Wait, same moment you late, pero just to be great, you need to disgrace my name sa debate. Galawa, misbehave, pinalalabas mo ako pa may hate to make them relate mo sa way. Go face o matik face. Make pay para base mo mag-give praise. Let me enlighten you one of these days. Papatigil tayo ng big break dito sa motivators. Reto Labador.
Hey!
Oh yeah! Tingnan natin kung kasing
Hindi
galing yung
hindi ko na kailangan itanong to.
Yari kayo, nagre-ready na si Akata. May freestyle dito mamaya.
Mamaya na pressure.
Ano, pressure eh.
Impromptu, Tol.
Mamaya.
Ready,
Kaya
ready.
tingnan natin kung kasing galing shoot sa pag-rap.
Hindi ko na kailangan tanong kung ano yung ready, kaya Udol Rapido, let's get motivated!
Pasok to.
Second one goes in already.
Good line, pero kulang ng konti.
For the money ball, off to the left. So 1 point for the first half for Rapido.
Second round is good for
First shot right away goes in.
There you go.
Ito, nakukuha na yung creative for Rapido.
Nice work. Money ball. Let's do this. No good.
last round.
Sayang. Ayun out. With the short. Good line. Wala din. And that's
For the money ball for Rapido.
oh, naubusan. Naubusan sa rap.
4 points for Rapido.
4 points.
Naubos, pinag-rap nyo kasi.
Di bale, impromptu naman si Udol. di ba?
Naubos,
Kita mo naman yung freestyle.
naubos yung angas. Inubos niyo yung angas sa rap eh.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, we have one more of the baddest of them all. From Olongapo,
Yo!
Akata!
Ano, may sample ba tayo dyan?
Hindi nag-aantay yata ng sample eh.
Sample!
Gusto niyo ba ng sample daw?
Yeah!
Sample! Sample!
Ibigay na ang mikropono! May bayad yun!
Sa basketball lang ako libre. Sa basketball lang libre. Ayan, so tatanungin na lang kita, Udol. Udol, are you ready?
Ready naman, ready naman! Ready naman!
Kaya naman, let's get motivated!
Here we go!
Eto na Akata from Olongapo. Short. Third one,
Malakas.
no.
Konting adjustment lang.
Two more
para sa
shots
ako.
for Akata.
Short ulit.
For the money ball.
Yan, malakas naman, malakas.
Too strong.
Let's go, Akata. Wala yan. Short na naman. Okay, isa lang, isa lang. Come on,
Still
let's go.
looking for his first bucket.
Short.
Ito for the money ball. From top of the key.
Wala talaga. Come on, let's do it. Isa lang, come on. Yo!
First point for Akata.
In and out.
So 2 more balls.
Shot pa yan. Kung hindi, ikaw magiging number 1 sa baba.
Eto na!
Number 1. Isa lang, bro. Pangensya na.
Okay,
Akata with 1 point. At least hindi lapset.
Ano masasabi mo doon, Tol?
Yun yung warm-up ko.
Ito yung warm-up ko. So, abangan nyo siya later, mga utol. Yan pala yung warm-up ni Akata.
Isa lang.
Eto na! Here we go! For our next player, let's all welcome ang Haring Bangin!
Ito, malaki expectation ko dito eh.
Ayan na.
Isa lang gusto kong talunin dito, si Akata.
Okay. Tingnan natin kung kaya.
Eto na, Haring Bangin, sa tanongin kita, are you ready?
Ready na! Naka-jacket pa yan.
Dahil dyan, let's get motivated!
And again, oh, like what Pao Salud said, naka-long sleeves pa yan.
Naka-jacket pa eh. Yun! Isa lang para matalo mo si Akata. Ayan!
Oh,
wala pa rin.
almost. For the money ball. Oh!
Natalo mo na, pwede na. Natalo mo na eh.
Galingan mo na, Haring Bangis. Here we go, take your time, Haring Bangis.
Wala.
Ito, two more balls on the second rack. Lumayo ng bahagya.
Sabi ni Utol, kailangan mas medyo malakas yung piro.
Gusto niyo yung mga step carry.
Nakuha niya na yung goal niya kasi tinalo niya na si Akata eh. Close na to eh. Yan. Yun yung goal niya eh.
Yun, nakuha na yung goal eh.
Okay na yung goal.
Focus lang sa
Dadagdagan na lang.
focus lang sa goal.
Here
Nag-jacket
we go,
kasi.
Haring Bangis, last two balls.
Dapat eh, ang
And
jacket.
for the money ball, here we go.
Lumayo ng konti. 25 feet.
Yun! Nakuha niya yung goal niya.
Okay na, okay na, Haring Bangis. Hindi na
Natalo mo si Akata.
si Akata yung pinaka-gas sa baba. And can we just review all the points for
And
our
we're going to have some breathing of our score here. Again, still leading. Dane Gorospe and Trinil Tide with 9 points. Keeper with 3. With 2 points is Boss Jomar.
So, final, Dane Gorospe, tsaka si Brian Hill. All 9 sila. Pero pag naka-turn ako, talo na silang dalawa.
Ayun na.
Yeah,
Sigurado agad yan.
Gusto ko.
Akala mo talaga eh. no?
Ganyan ang gusto ko.
10 lang kailangan ko. 10 motivational rides.
Kaya ba yun? 10?
dahil dyan, of course, our main man, ayun na, pumuwesto na sa kabila.
Ito, from the
main man,
from the left position.
motivated 3-3.
Ang pasimuno.
Pwede po ba natin before mag-start si Boss Rendon? Palakpakan po muna natin!
Hey, good! Hey, good! Hey, good!
At dahil dyan, Utol, are you ready?
Let's go!
Let's go! Let's get motivated!
First shot. Medyo malakas ang konti. Medyo mahina ng konti. Ito, isang ko na dapat to. Yan ang
Okay. Switch.
1.
1 point.
A little bit to the left. Money ball. Money!
And he gets it. 3 points.
Medyo kanan. Konti pa, konti pa. Medyo kanan pa rin.
A little bit on the right.
Minor.
4 points. Money ball.
4 points. Kailangan lahat shoot yata.
At least 1 miss.
Oh.
There you go.
1.
5 points.
No.
You got to shoot. Hey! The money ball. And 6 points. Standing. Bossing Rendon Lavador.
Sayang.
And we have a tie, so we will have a tie-breaking 3-point shootout between Dane Grospe and Trine.